Hello, my name is David Bilsborough. I'm the business owner here at Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire, and I just thought I would take the advantage whilst we have still got this vehicle in our stock to show you some of the features of the interior of the vehicle. And one of the features I think people would benefit from is just finding out how the climate control, air conditioning, heated seats side of the control panel works, and we might also go on to the all-terrain section as well if we have time. So Cheshire Cars have been established since 1996, and we have an enviable reputation for good and straightforward and honest car dealing. All our reviews are available on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, and we also buy cars for cash or bank transfer as it is nowadays. So that's www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk. Please enter your car details in there. It takes no more than 3 or 4 minutes, and then myself, I will get back to you with a bespoke valuation of your vehicle. We come out to you, so if you live a long way away and it's something we want to buy, we'll arrange to take the train or drive down to you, and all payments are secure by bank transfer, including settling finance. So back to the Evoque. This is an Evoque R Dynamic S model, 2021 in the year, and it has a pretty standard screen here. I think quite a lot of the Evoques have this screen, and as you can see at the moment, we have a right and a left control wheel, and you try and move anything, you won't move anything but the temperature. So if you just don't touch anything at all and just turn the wheel, you then get a change in the temperature for the left side, and if you do it on the right side, and of course on the right side as well. If you want to sync them, let me just take you back to the above screen, and you'll see the 4 little squares here. Press those and then look for climate, which is there, and then just press sync, and that highlights the word sync, and then it means that both sides are equally going to change together from the driver's side. Now it's interesting to note that it's only on the driver's side. If you touch the passenger wheel, it knocks off the sync, so it then knocks off the sync. I'll just show you. There you go, it's reverted it to manual. So press sync again, and then if you press the top, middle or bottom, that then directs the airflow to those areas that you've pressed. So if you don't press the middle, which I haven't, I've got the air coming from to the feet and to the windscreen. So that's pretty comfortable, I think. So how do you alter this fan speed? So you see the fan button here, you press that in, and the left wheel then becomes the fan speed button as well as other things. So that's quite useful, and then when you finish with that, you just press that again, and it reverts back to the original default setting. This vehicle is fitted with a heated screen, front screen, so you just press on there, and that then puts the heating element on the screen. If you have to park outside or you've been out for the night and it's frozen over, that's going to be very useful to you. I'm guessing it will turn off once it's reached a certain temperature, just to save you forgetting about it. Air conditioning's the same. You can press and the air conditioning comes on, and you press again, it goes off. Heated seats, you'd be looking for the button. How do the heated seats work? Well, they're working from the 2 wheels. So it says push, so you push down there, the screen goes off, or it would seem goes off, but it isn't off. You then go that way to the right, and it puts the heating element on in the seat. And it's the same for the left button. You do that, and then it turns it on or off. As you can see, the bars coming up there. So when you finish with that, just press that again. Also available is all-terrain response. So this is this button here, and that turns the right wheel into the all-wheel response, which then you just twist it, turn it, sorry, not twist it, turn it round to whatever you want. And if you look at the dashboard, it gives you grass, gravel, snow program selected. Next one is mud and ruts, and then we've got sand. If we go back to just show you, I'm just turning the wheel slowly back to comfort. It tells you you're in comfort on the dash, and you just drive the car normally. So comfort or eco would be the on-road 2 settings, I guess. And one final benefit or bonus to the video, let me show you. The wing mirrors on this car are heated and folding, so to turn them in manually you press down simultaneously on these two buttons here together and you'll see the wing mirrors are folding in. How good's that? And then press them down and hold them and they will fold out. So that's how easy it is to mastermind that. There'll be more from me hopefully tomorrow on this car. So if you are interested in learning a little bit more about the car, then have a play with yours. Most things on the Land Rover, Range Rovers are pretty much common through the whole entire range of cars. Interesting to know it has a 9-speed fully automatic gearbox with sport and manual modes as well. So it's a super gearbox, I have to say. So that's our 21 explanation on how this control panel works here and some of its features. Just before I go, just to say, what does the A stand for? That's stop start. So if you press on that, it just means that the car won't stop start as it would do if you didn't press down on it. So if you don't want the car to stop start on you when you come to a halt, just press that. Once it's lit up, it means it won't do that, it overrides it. If you're happy to have it stop starting, then just press it again and then it will choose when it is at the right level to stop start. So that's our 21 plate Evoque. Have a great day, and we would be very grateful if you would consider subscribing to the channel. That would greatly help us, and it keeps us knowing that people are finding our content helpful. If you have any suggestions about this video, please do drop them in the comment section below, and watch out for our next one. Have a great day. Thank you.